Kebeli Pibaro Shakatup Khubor Jungi Gadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Minta Kesngi Gelong, Dang Ya Chakmat Kajingtei Gador Bar Tauan, Dakapisa Kershanu Emily Gadai Bar Taksi Kamai Batlong To Team, Kajingbun Kibiyo Positive Kadena Marbeki Pat Bak Kimi Shakmat Ban Pat Tesilide, But Sam Ka Office Veterinary De Kikor Ot Plang Chaff Kata Hakasngi Raki World Zoonosis Day. Badminton in Pash ki Khubor bakam benya. Ushong knor ka ying dor bar thau an ka jilla uba met ba ling do henne kesngi ulay thu ba kajing tre ka ying dor bar thau an bathamai karang ya chakmat wat la kajing penthut ka klam COVID-19 ru kalapin suki kindiat ya ka kam. Shushu ulay thu bikidang bun ki tiar ki ban poi hau bakut jong uniu banai bat kajing tre ru kandang ya chakmat.
We had a detailed review meeting on the progress of the construction of the new assembly building at Mountain Gate. I am also to inform you that I am glad to see that the progress of work in spite of this pandemic, shortage of manpower, as most of them have left for their hometown. Even then, the work is still in a good pace. Our target date is, as we have already from time to time stated, that it should be sometime by end of this year. Well, we have to put a lot of efforts to see that, yes, we can do by that. So we had a detailed review on that day, and I am to inform you that the civil work of the main building is more or less completed. The balance work, which is yet to be completed as far as civil work is concerned, is only the dome part, which is part of the main hall. We are waiting for the main structure, which is going to come, and all the truss and fabricated structure is already ready in Kolkata. A team of engineers from here also had visited the factory where these trusses are being made, and it was found that everything was okay as per the specifications. We expect that the dome part of these consignments will be reaching Shillong sometime by end of this month, and then the installation of all this dome will take place.
Habakren halor kajinge kenat kaput na kaliang speaker ke assembly ulay thu bah kajinge kren bat umintri rang ba ke Assam kele kren halor kajinge kini put ke balaya de ki phau sinem minta bat de kajing jinjar ki briu ki basa ha ki jaka kaput hakini ke benta ulay thu ban na kaliang jong umintri rang ba ke Assam ulakular ba unchim khia halor kini bat banle ek babhatam na ke benta ke bha kamiat jong baro ki arliang jilla.
Well, in fact, after he has taken over as the Chief Minister of Assam, the new person who is taking the chair. So I gave a call to congratulate him and give him good wishes for the new assignment as the Chief Minister of Assam. And in that process of conversation with me, he requested me, he said, why don't you come over for a breakfast to Guwahati. So as I had time yesterday in the morning, so I went down and went to greet him after he has been elected as a Chief Minister, and enjoyed him for the breakfast. That's all. Well, when we meet, definitely we will talk. And we did discuss about few things, and we did discuss about this long pending issue, problem which is going on for the last 40-50 years now, which is everybody, they're looking forward to see which government can solve this problem once and for all. So I did express from my side my serious concern about the issues which has come out from time to time, which is reported in the media about those people who are at the, living in the boundaries. So he is very, very concerned. He expressed his real concern about this issue, and he assured that we're going to take up this one at a very, very fast pace to see that at least people from both the states are happy at the end of the day to sort out all these many issues.
UMLA ke Shillong West ba Mohondro Rapsang haka step si baar ulano senyang da kesong pisa syakumba ars pa ngut ki driver taksi kamai bek kinong pentho team ke bedai na lowo mau prem barapathar mau ba Shwaban sa mi kiti kijing yarap UMLA ula ongru ba kati kijing ai jung u kalong ben kershan shipor yaki kat ba ka kamai kaji jung ki kampat long tikena na kadaw kani klam covid
Una panel kopi from South Area desa Pakahi bermula kegiatan nak juga lalu disiplin ni. Kau ngapit lah, ngapit jingke macam macam ni tanggal. Ini kan kita sudah, ini bagus. Bukti nong langsung, bukti nong perintah, bukti beliau berkawan itu kelakar. Dengan masih mengenai ke lah, orang ladak tentang marba. Ini ngam pekat orang air, kita susah, satu kat nekat pengalak buat. Di wilayah target ini, orang air itu berapa? Dapat tapi, dapat tumbuh, nong peribula, nong perintah, juga dalam kampung seperti itu. Di wilayah target tumbuh arja tanpa berapa persen. Dapat kami minta ngambil pasti semua dan air dapat tapi ubah. Nang makiru dia punya toilet. Nanti di situ, nak tiga ni sekarang balik nak ajar. Nada ilmu tinggal nak jual. Ni baru bol cuma modal nak jual jual. Aglo orang tinggal makro ni dah. Kalau orang dia nanti berada sistem dia. Itu modesti. Mesti cepat sistem makro dia dah. Nama balik. Anak susah. Jadi kemai tak kuat sebelum.
Menteri Ketenat Kakwat Kekia ke Meghalaya ba ALHEC uloong bagajing bun ki beyo positif haga jela kedai namar bagi pat ba tang shus ngau thot kemet kilami syakmat ban pates yelede.
Ranum nuk berbatai kal jinglang jiman bagajing perikam jam ke Megiste. Meghalaya ke jungi ke simkhia du kata-kata. Banadu ke tes jek simkhia. Lalu ke Corona Care Center ke Shillong, lalu ke vaksin ke Shillong, tiga jutri ke kat ada ke Shillong kan kile person kat bagian angkri sistem ke kes kadang yok bon hiru lembar boleh bah ni test dan ke week state na perhat pun ba UP ke Bihar week state ke Bahia lap positive case ke belum tang si 0% dari mangi ngitri hop kau kam Bagi jing air kita kibun ini.
Mut kajing nyai petang ni kalau bandai nak
kajing kajing gadau, kajing gadau. Mata gadau ko bahang kongsan ni kajing ya tre rengkat no pai ba. Kadi ke behavioral change. Ada ki pai ba jungi ki buat rengking. Ke protokol ke ai ke health department, ai ke government ke Singapore banyadai lagi. Te ke kesu kan duna. Ramaki pada ki yat persya ke ai ni ke protokol ke ai ke government ng Singapore, health department ng Singapore. Tika spread ini.
Menteri Ketenat Kakwat Kekia ba ALHEC hakesengi baar ulapin bena ba Menteri Ketenat Kampo yeng ke Sarkar Pedeng Amit Shah ulak banwan Meghalaya hakakat nyau terik mentau benai banwan pli gi projek jang Ketenat Kakwat Kekia kentup ya kejaka sumar COVID kebedan haum sauli.
Likely ke program kalau yang jangan nyau terik. Ina kalian jungi ke government ke health department bila bergerak ke projek ya ke ba kerpat dan bagi parti bagi government jungi bagi play tahu Amit Shah Honorable Union Minister namanta ka liquid medical oxygen tank kaba hangte hapo sauli kaba capacity jungka gede khat lai kiloliter kari refilling tank hakaju kopor gidan hakaju jaka gidan ru saga step down covid hospital kaba ada pengkreat mensha bala ada plia dangahi haga chanpo jingtia menda sasan bu san jingtia kebedai adat ke jembung kreat naga menda gani ke third wave haga bangindon ru kene ka children ward ka children ICU nang dagan don ru ke adult ICU kendon ru ka adult beds total ganong nyo san jingtia total ganong 100 beds ke gani ganong gawai ne ki project ki ba major project hi jongga covid jongga state Meghalaya jungi langi yo ban inaugurate da Health Minister ganong ka jing mentoi nam da state ni
Kajing jong gitu ki bakamai minsngi bat bam min mit kalong kabi isang sot khamtam hekini ki arbanai balalen kalong kabi ban perkhat ye kinong nya kali kamai kinong belasngi kumnu ki em ki man hakini ki khandiat banai bakajing kamai jingki kathot bat kimla asatya ban kamai ne ban net shaki kam ki jam jongki kum hakani ka kim don pat ki bri ki bami shakmat ban kner laki kti ban ai jingerap ye kum kini ki lanot Henne kasngi nakaliang ki driver taxi kathan mauprem kilapan pau ka jing sngongo yo unong mikmat kathan ba rap sang balai rap eki da kasong pisa habakren chikilat pathai khubor nakaliang ki nongnya kali kamai na mauprem kilakarpat ek sarkar ban ailat eki ban kamai laisin chitayo kumbapli lang ki dukan hakeleng kanong ba
alang skot ii te la ai jerap yangi te kisha ngi ngapor ngi mat ka jing sha kam ki taxi sha bangi kamai disturb ni bam damien thì kemudian port bakal lockdown kawan sisa kala asam cenggi ngi driver taksi ban pendap hayang sem wal mantaro ngi songo yak sarkar bakal ailat yagi ban ban kamai biang wal lang tang sistio ru reng la ya ban mi madan biang te ngi kerpat nak liang jongi ru nak liang i abli jongi ba nyerap ban penyekran ngi sarkar ban ngi ban kamai kembam sisnem yo odd event namar kasim cenggi sya yang ngi tan bar ba ki basim ki loan ban siu ki loan Hantai wat iketak sok haban siu baik sarkar kam sim lamat yangi watang stingkar kam ban mat ngi kasim cengge inisial langi watang sistio kumdo ngi la ban ndap ban siu ta kilon jengi ta kilong kitak ki ban siu ke bon jat kitak haban siu long ga ndap hayeng ya ka bai bam ka bayeng kasim cengge sya yangi te ikerpat nak liang jengi yang ngai skam ba nak liang ebli jengi ru in sirap hal benta kan ni ban ai ka jing Banyakan lambat sarkar ibar halor ba kenang bang ngiyo ban kamay no license tiyo kumbang iyo mo sisnem ti kumbang ngiro ngilang nang taksiru ngi ploy ban bud ita kindon ki protokol jang ka sarkar ban jengai we ban dang ki mas ban yada ne khang jengpang ban safyang bawan hagri jongi pat ngkong ngi songo hi ublei ba ulon kal ban ngi pa padeng ne jeng ye sisa ngimal ka di khlam dari ublei simadan simna eno yangi niyo ya kamen ko khiang yo jingko khia bat nila ban trik ta bat kumta teter ti ka ba khaddo bang pa bang krah ni kalong ba ikerpat kan ba kasarkar ba kan sim khia lo kan ni ba aila taksi kembang lai i ba ki dukan ki la play license sausen sitio wat ki yo ki la play kerpal sarkar bahkan alat lebih ngiru bagi kamai license tio tang di kentien
Hakamat jong menteri bapet ye ketanat penroi sor ubak snyau bahalang dhar wan rak keseng samla maulai pelun ye kijing bagi pat pat nong shong shnong ke maulai ki ye kendu na kijing sma bami na kejaka the nyut hamarten bat ketedem habatang ye kinyut ki bawan the na keling ki jaka ke sor Shillong bat kumju ki jaklia ki bami ni ki hospital ki bakta e ka kot ka khia ki nong shong shnong ka ni kathan Kumju ru kesing samla maulai pelun kapen pau ye kajing ngau khia ye kajing wan the nyut ki briu ki ban ki we ki district habai kren chikilat pathai khubor uba snyau bahalang dhar u ong ba un sabu sngi ban net jurip lang ye kini kejaka the nyut hamarten kabadon hamaulai mauyong
Oh, no, like this. The president of the Meghalaya took something, and along with their members, they made me. They used to make me from time to time about this mortem in Meghalaya. And they request me, number one, to find the new landfill at the earliest, if possible, from the government side. So in regard to that, I already give them the reply. I told them yes, now the government is under process of identifying the new landfill. And yes, there was around 4, 5, 6 applications submitted, what the advertisement right from the previous minister, and we are full swing on that job for the identification of the new landfill. That is number one, I informed them. And number two, they want to come along with me for the joint inspection with my officer. That is something they want to discuss in the presence of myself and my officer. They want to request some of the, it seems that some part of the new machineries are there not up to the mark as per they informed me. So in the letter with this, I already informed them, I already promised them also. Maybe next week, sometime in 15 days, I'll go for the inspection, I'll inform them. That is the allegation they want me. Not identified by us. During the previous time with the previous minister, they have already advertised. And there are few applicants we received around, I didn't remember properly, around 6 places. And 2-3 places they are already joint inspection with the pollution, forest, and representative from DC also and my officer. And we are yet to get the report from them, which is the suitable land for the new landfill.
So far, we don't have any report, be it from the medical institutions or any report from the society or any NGOs that there are health issues regarding this biomedical waste and also from the solid waste management. What I can tell you is on 2014, survey was done. They have found out that around 9 lakh people in India died because of air pollution. And that air pollution, they give an example of Delhi. That air pollution in Delhi is because of the waste management plant, the smoke which comes from the waste management plant. And the people who are dying in Delhi are the downtrodden and the poor people who are dying because they cannot afford to buy an air purifier. So this is the case which we fear, that it will threaten the people of Meghalaya, and that the poor and the downtrodden people of the Meghalaya who cannot afford to buy air purifier at the residence, at the places, offices, at their place of work, will die because of this air pollution caused both from the biomedical waste and also from the solid waste management.
What was did the minister give any?
Kumshi bentaban rakhi ka World Zoonosis Day ka bajukan mau man usnem hashitulup ka berthai ka bayadai beki judging pang bayabit na kimra chekibriu. Hakani kasngi ha West Janta Hills District la pelongi ki program haki center beper jong katanat veterinary da ka balle la ka jong ka benta. Hagajingalang balapalong da ka District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer Juwai, ha Office Rekam ka District Veterinary Officer Mintong Juwai, la sam de ki kor ot plang ni ot jur chaf kata, shekinong jingri ka District kumshibenta jong ka nikasngi. Ukong san na kanikasngi u Dr. KB Sakhar, Director Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Meghalaya Shillong, haba ajingkren hakani ka program, ulakren halor ka jingno sinyang way nikistat sayan u Louis Pastor, syakarukom sumar yaki basya dat kso. Ula batayru siya panggajingpang zoonosis. Kumba ka pang padeng jong mentau snem kaong, let's break the chain of zoonotic transmission. Ula kintuya baro bandon lang ka jingkit kli halor ban pinkut no yaki jat jingpang bayabit.
Dalam dapat fikir kemoman begini arsnem agak perthai waro, wak akan ni kerjala yang gila, waro yang mat ia kini kelam COVID, kejing itu kawajan bah kini kelam COVID, waki wigi jingpang di watip ikam ki zoonosis, kamu ada ong India chua, do chairman, do district officer, waka zoonosis si man ketika kejut, kawaya bi nakimara cikibru. Karwa hakani wan ka COVID emmi gijinget to nubha ile sedang kinaka marahi mo doktor yang da ong kinaka dumbed iketer em gijinga to te thi kiwo yo poilang ye em lang ini yo kijingtip kiwa bania kiwa che ye phi nubha kam hakini por kam tam em kam bhai I kam kibru apo society mo yo tip ha sipang ki kijut ki wiyabi khnang yo tip i le ki kamram ayu ki wato ule i mo yo pendap i khnang upenduna ya ganika kejut yabi kam gani na dapat pila ya ka team kamut ya kate ka jingtumu yo ganika wal sunuses de yo ganika snam araja ap awi le nambakla onki let's defeat the let's break the chain of the zoonosis. Let's break the chain of this transmission. Wamut le kamun wi perkhat nang i wi krek nang i upenduk no lani upendukut no ya kini kejing bi kini knyang jingpang. Te i ha kini ko pon bha la dai pat i kamoman ha perthai le ya kini ka covid ka kampram yo i hi le yo klam kejak ngi tentang kamuan pendukut no ya ka khnang wa kani ke jingpang upenduna no ya ka hakaju ko porle uye ule u weng no ya ka kai sarkar da percanggon ki lat ki luti kawini kita mu da penmi ki ya ka tika vaksin mo kani ga vaksin to o em kam hai i kam ki buru ki o chim bon ki jing pen thami bon ki jing ki khubor ki bakla ki pen sapriang ki taki bon ki rukam wala da hi gani ga vaksin gani ga tika dauman kam te scientists the penmi ki lembaga research ki yong ki mo kamuan uperchang ya fight ki pendukut ki ga te ga jing ya gani ga bor yo gani ga khyang jingpang kalat tangkani wan ka te mo lembaga tika Be hawai klam each from the zoonosis, the COVID man ka win is zoonotic. Mo ko sapriang ki bru. Untuk tang pen sapriang ko da kata is salansar ka perthai woro owi kami. I woro ai ma di jing e mo ki yaw ki han khai ka pateng kalai ka wan woro da sha restrict i. Mo da sha mana hawro ki liang. Tim yo i UM lat lut kamu jim mio kamai lat lut kamu ju kamai dong ra chibon di jinjari I waro ite wan kwa penci pi khajak aka baye to ko kan ga zoonosis am bha I wayo kam kan ga program wayo igala yo chamo pi kamni yo e khajak kat ki wala am ha I yo penci se pi la to
Bat da kitu ki khubor ngila poisha kabakun tat hadu pengin desem biang kublai shibon.